If you look up into the sky on a clear night, most likely you will notice the moon. You will also notice that it doesn't look the same every night. Welcome to moomoomath and science and the phases of the moon. The moon revolves around the Earth roughly every 27 days. As it revolves around the Earth, it goes through phases. Here's what these phases look like. But why does this happen? The sun, Earth, and moon, along with their movements, causes the phases of the moon. The Earth revolves around the sun, and the moon revolves around the Earth. Let's take a look at this. The moon cycle, or lunar cycle, begins at new moon. Here's the alignment of new moon. And here's what new moon looks like from Earth. And yes, it is very dark. The moon travels roughly 13 degrees in 24 hours. So after roughly 3.5 days, the moon has moved 45 degrees and is at waxing crescent. Here's the alignment. Waxing means that the sunlight is getting larger and crescent is the shape. And here's what it looks like. In 7 days, the moon has now traveled 90 degrees and is at first quarter. Here's the alignment. Remember, the sunlight is always on the right in first quarter. I remember to be first, you must be right, and the light is on the right. Also, the shadow moves from right to left. In an additional 3.5 days, it has now traveled 135 degrees and is at waxing gibbous. Check out this alignment. Gibbous is the shape, and remember, waxing means the light portion is growing. After 14 days since new moon, the moon has now traveled 180 degrees and is at full moon. Here's the alignment, and here's what a full moon looks like. After another 3.5 days, the moon is now at waning gibbous. Here's the alignment. Waning means the light is getting smaller, and here's what it looks like from Earth. Again, remember, the shadow moves from right to left. After 21 days, the moon has now traveled 270 degrees and is at last quarter. Here's the alignment. The light is now on the left, and I remember if you got last, you got left behind. After roughly 24 days, the moon is now at waning crescent. Remember, waning means the light is getting smaller, and the sun, earth, and moon alignment looks like this. And finally, after roughly 27 days, the moon is now back at new moon, and the lunar cycle will start over again. If you'd like to know more about the phases of the moon, this playlist will help. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.